how long does a men's hair system really last? Hey, it's me, Tara, your hair system specialist. Something common among hair system wearers is to try and stretch the use of their hair units past their recommended lifespan. Well, some may benefit from the extra month or so, depending on how well the hairpiece has been maintained. It's always advisable to stick to the mentioned durability, as that will give you the best use and result. The longevity of the hair system is dependent on the type of base you wear. Let's delve into the durabilities of some popular hair systems. Short durability. Atupa hairpieces are thinnest skin-based hairpieces like the M111 and the HD111 are ultra-thin disposable hair systems that last around a month. Their V-loop ventilation makes for an undetectable look, but also adds to their fragility. Though the base of the systems may last you longer than the average 4 to 6 weeks, the V-looped hair will begin to lose its density, leaving you with an unnatural bald patches, so it's best to replace them more often. Short to medium durability. Our popular M115 Swiss lace base and the M105 French lace hair system have breathable bases that give you a great natural look throughout the scalp and have a durability around 2 to 3 months. If you are looking for hair systems with a little bit more durability, then our M106 French lace and M116 Swiss lace systems come with poly painting in the back for added durability. However, if you try to use these hair units beyond their period, you will notice the lace begin to fray at the perimeters, and that would certainly not be pleasant to look at. Besides, the hair will start to fall sooner, leaving the unit looking pretty patchy. Medium durability. Hair systems like the popular M100 and M101 carry the durability that most people look for if they don't want to spend too much on their hair systems annually. They generally last anywhere from 3 to 6 months. However, if you overuse them, the system may rip and you will notice blotchy hair fall, which makes the unit unsuitable for daily wear. Long durability. Our longest durability system, like the M102, can last anywhere from 6 months to sometimes a little longer. Despite their great durability, their thick base may not look as natural and could be an easy giveaway. So, cutting to the chase, you need to compromise a natural look if you are searching for a highly durable piece, and vice versa. Keep in mind that durability timelines are general estimates. Actual durability varies depending on the particular unit and how the hair pieces are maintained by their user. This means some hair pieces might last shorter or longer than their estimates. We understand that sometimes the base looks completely fine post the mentioned lifespan. In this case, you might think it's acceptable to continue using it. Still, we wouldn't recommend that, as you will start to notice hair shedding in certain areas, bald patches, hair color fading, and the hair quality will naturally decline. Hope that was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.